figuring out what tags, hashtags, keywords, whatever it might be to use for your ads, videos, or whatever, using Google Trends really quick. Let's say you are a running shoes company. You're going to type this in. And the first thing you want to do is you want to max things out. So again, we're looking at the United States for this example. You want to max things out and look for any seasonality, any trends, anything worth noting. Okay, what do we see here? So overall, it looks like running shoes as a search term has become more popular over the years in general. So probably because before people would just use random sneakers or any type of workout shoes to run, but with more research and marketing and everything, people realize, okay, maybe I do need running shoes for the right support so I can avoid injury and whatever. So we can see that it's been going up as a whole. So if you're in this market, cool. People are searching for running shoes. They know about them. Awesome. Now let's see where these dips are. Okay, December, November. So like the winter, it seems almost every winter there's a dip. It makes sense. It's the holidays. It's cold. Like, where are you even running? Like, if you're in Michigan, like imagine it's snowing. Like, what are you going to do? I mean, some people still are fierce and run in that, but that's wild. This is really tough. But okay, where's the peaks? July, August. So yeah, the summer, we can expect it. The weather's nice. What are you going to do, you know? You're going to be out here running outside. Okay, let's see. What is this big spike? 2020, the pandemic, a lot of the gyms were closed. So people were outside running. I am the first to admit, this was the first time I bought running shoes actually. It was literally summer 2020. I started running. I wasn't going to the gym, just going outside running. And I bought my first Brooks. That was the running shoes I got. Okay, and the most popular region, if you're trying to like target specific states, New York, we are athletic baddies here, obviously. So the most obsessed with running. And then, so now here when you're trying to find like keywords, topics, even just trying to find your competitors. So it's like, okay, Nike, Hoka. I actually just bought my first Hoka, so this is cool. Under Armour. I don't really know about their running shoes much. And then here's the terms, but let's see more of the topics. You can just kind of look through here. Adidas, Newton running. I don't even know what that is. Kind of look through Brooks. Okay, that's the one I had during the pandemic. Pretty good. But here, most importantly, these are like the queries. So what people are actually typing in. That are rising the most right now. And this is actually from like over the years. So this is a good first spot to look for terms. So best running shoes for women, best running shoes for men. I mean, pretty common, but it's good to scroll through and find more options. So on cloud shoes, I don't know what that means. So I would do more research on that and kind of find some good ideas to add in here. In addition, so if you're like running your Google ads, for example, you can get ideas from here in addition to the ideas they automatically give you. So this is a nice start. And then you can also change up. So we're looking at 2004 to present, but how does this change if we just look at like last 7 days? Do we get any different ideas? Let's see. Okay, so not as much, but there's some new things. This is also good. You can see like what's trending now, what's rising now, what's the top in the last 7 days. Okay, now you also know who your competitors are. So if you're trying to do some competitive analysis, you just know who the top players are really, and you kind of can see where you have a chance. You also can go state by state. So if you add in the comparisons, you can also see which states are like favor one over the other more, which is cool to see. So for example, we can look here, Nike running shoes. Let's try that. Try Hoka, and let's try Brooks, and let's make sure, maybe Brooks running shoes, just to make sure. And let's see what's going on here. Okay, so Hoka is the yellow. You can see it's really, wow, way above the rest. Nike running shoes are pretty low. I wonder though, what if I just change it to Nike running? Does that make a difference? No, so Nike running is still down there. I'm sure Nike as a brand might be higher. Let's just check that out of curiosity as well. Yeah, there you go. So Nike as a brand is very strong, but Nike running is not necessarily stronger than Hoka. So that's good to know. So if you're running a comparative analysis, competitive analysis, you can kind of have some insights here. Brooks is a low. I didn't realize Brooks was the lowest. Okay, cool. Now you can see state by state. So in New York, running shoes is the highest. Okay, again, that's a generic term. Let's see. Hoka. Overall, Hoka is the highest. Let's actually also remove running shoes from this and just see what's going on now. Okay. So yeah, Hoka is really, wow, the interest over time has grown a lot here. And then, yeah, you can see Hoka really dominates across states. Nike running's a little bit more popular in New York than the other states. Okay, interesting. Let's see. And more great queries that you can add. Nike Labor Day sale, Nike military discount, whatever these are. Nike running hats is interesting. Labor Day sales, Hoka sales, DSW. So again, this is good to check every now and then and just update your keywords, update your hashtags, update your tags, whatever you can, because you can get so many ideas. And make sure to scroll through all of the pages here to get the most ideas possible. But yeah, just an interesting, very quick way to get some ideas for free on Google Trends.